Next thing we want to do is pump this up so that we can sprinkle some water onto our seedlings while they're just on the top there and we can see them. It helps. I find sprinkling water onto them helps spread them out a bit if you've got ones that are all bunched up and congested. So just try and spread them out as best you can as you water them up and get the soil nice and moist. And the next step that we're going to do is we're going to cover the seeds with just a thin layer of seed raising mix over the top, because remember we've got fine seeds, so we only slightly just want to cover them. So here's one that I haven't yet covered on the left, and here's one I've just covered just lightly with some seed raising mix so that the seeds are completely covered in a thin layer of soil. And our last step before we place them somewhere to germinate is just water them again. Give them a quick sprinkly, just because the goal isn't to overwater them, but the goal is to keep them nice and moist throughout the whole germination period. So just check them about 2 times a day.